Tracy, I thought it might be easier to do a video feedback rather than write on the rubric the things that you're going to lose some points on. So first off, you don't have your title of your lesson at the top of the page or the last updated. However, you do have it in the header, which is not the same thing. The header isn't shown in full, normal view. This, you click on normal, you can see normal comes up there. This is normal, so I'm not seeing it there. It needs to come out of the header and be at the top of the page. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the total earned points. Okay, see how you've got equal sum and you've got E3 plus H3 plus K3 plus N3. That's not using the sum function. I'm going to show you what it looks like to use the sum function. So you click over here to auto sum and click on sum. Now I'm going to drag it to the ones that I know that you well, see, and I see why you did what you did, because you can't. You've got the WebQuest, you got their points and then the possible right next to each other, so it makes it difficult to be able to do just the sum without. See, if I go through and I just click on it, it's going to collect everything. So what you should have done there is to take and just put the total points possible here, total points earned, and then the final percentage separately. That way you would have been able to do the sum rather than do what you did, which was to do the plus, the plus, and the plus. And that, I see why you did that. But that's not using the sum, and the idea is that if you took the points, so I'll just put some points here so that you can see what I'm talking about. So, and you've also got the percentage there, so let me go back. So this would be 15, 9.5, 97. Okay, so if I do the sum now, again, this is what makes it easier, is I just go through here and I click on those points, and then if you look at the difference, see it says equals sum, open parentheses, E13 through N13 and close parentheses, as opposed to E plus H3 plus K3 plus N3. That's the difference, and that's, although what you did looks great, it just doesn't allow you to fully use the formula functions, and it forces you to do what you did here. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to resubmit this. I'm not going to grade it, and I'm going to ask you to change the information you have here, your name of your course, last updated, and put it so that it is actually at the top of the page. So right here, if I just do an insert, and then you can add the information by clicking again and putting another row in there to accommodate, if you want it to be taller or whatever, but that it doesn't allow you to do the merge and center function. I mean, you're wrapping text there. It's just not, you're not following the requirements of the assignment. So I'm going to ask you to resubmit this so I can grade the assignment for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me or text me or email, whichever is easiest for you. Thanks.